When replacing the drive motor and or drive belt on your treadmill, go ahead and remove your front motor hood and your side rails. So for the next step, we'll go ahead and remove the bolts out of this rear roller in order to take the tension off of our walking belt and drive belt. Again, be sure you count the amount of turns it takes to take these two bolts out. That way when you go back together with it, your belt will be tracking straight. Once you have the tension off the belt, you can go ahead and remove it from your front roller and from your front drive pulley. And then go ahead and put your new belt on. Front drive pulley. And then around your front roller. Once you get it on, you'll notice that it will not go down into the slot. Just get it started, and then once you put tension on the walking belt, it will guide this front roller down in the slot. Once we have the drive belt back on, you want to come back to the rear and put your rear roller adjustment bolts back in. Again, you want to count the amount of turns it takes to tighten it back up, just as you did when you were taking it apart.